Good afternoon, everyone. Right, I seen a video Craig put out. I think it was last week. Well, Hedgehog Man, he's now called. Taking a piss out of Scotty G's fridge. I thought Scotty G's fridge was absolutely fucking bang on. I'll show you mine now. The only difference between mine is mine's not in my front room. It's in my kitchen, right? So yeah, I'll give it a quick look. Right, what do we have? We have milk, juice, gravy, pasta slices, beans, tea bags. See, we do put things like this now, fridge, you fucking radgies. Sertraline. Just for you, Craig, 3 Weetabix. And last but not least, some fresh Calvins.